The second step in your business is setting up a business bank account, and it is extremely easy to do. My name is Jason. I am the owner of Motivation Health and Wellness as well as Delcus Homes. Both are LLCs. So the first step for you is making sure that you have an LLC set up in the state which you reside. I did a video on how I set up my first LLC, so feel free to check that out and the total cost for the method that I chose, which is the best method in my opinion. So go check that out. You can click on the YouTube card above. Otherwise, there's a link down in the description, or at the end of the video, there will be an end card where you can go right into that. Step 2 of this video is to see your accountant for an FEIN. That stands for Federal Employer Identification Number. You can file for an FEIN by yourself, but if you already have an accountant that is filed on your articles of organization, they'll do this step for you, which I completely recommend. My model is let the pros do the work for you. What I mean by this, let the law firm set up your LLC, let your accountant file for your FEIN, and contact someone at your bank to help you set up your business bank account, which brings me to our last step. You need to take the articles of organization and that FEIN to whatever bank you want to use for your business and set up an appointment. Or better yet, make sure you call ahead and set up an appointment ahead of time so that you have somebody that is ready for you when you get there. It took my member service agent about an hour and a half total to get everything set up, asking me all the questions along the way, and then filing for anything. Anything that I didn't know, she was able to walk me through so that I could make an educated decision. But just like the objects on your articles of organization for your LLC, if you are the only member, nothing is set in stone. You can change anything within your bank account at any time that you want. It is also a learning process for me, and it may be for you if you've never done it before. So just go out there, do it, and that way it's done so you can get moving forward with your business. And that's the goal. I will be documenting my journey as a business owner to help you guys with your business endeavors and just to see the journey of Motivation Health and Wellness grow. So if you found value in this video, please hit the like button, click the subscribe, and tag along for the ride.